it's Tiffany Xplicit and welcome back to my channel. Now, who says black people cannot do colour? I'm so sorry. We're gonna prove you wrong today, okay? We have about 9 colours on my lid, on my eyes. And you know what? Black counts, so almost 10 colours on my eye. And I'm not even mentioning the colour of the hair and the colour of my outfit. So yeah, if you like this look, then keep watching. It's always so much harder to do this side of my face. I don't know why. Because it's a cut crease, I'm basically pretending that my crease is a bit higher up so that, you know, I don't lose half of this colour when I cut the crease. Come on, with the pigments. I don't think it has to be that perfect.
yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's Aaron Anderson. Rah! Jump in the whip, we can Addison-ly. Trips on me, yeah, you travel for free. Now we up late, turn up till 3. You could bring a friend, we OT free. Can I take you to Paris? You say we rain down like a blessing. I just sneeze, so we both get the money, smelling like palm cheese. We got the juice, we freshly squeezed. See the way you standing in that corner, eh? I can feel you telling me come closer, eh? And the way you move your body so contagious. You made me wanna spend all of me paper. But I can take you down. Money go up, but I can take you down. Yeah, we go up, yeah, we glow up, but I can take you down. Money go up, but I can take you down. Yeah, we go up, yeah, we glow up, but I can take you down. I need that hot spice, need that marinade. Tryna get a full house, Mary Kate. Tell a snake, get the hell out my way, cause I ain't got no time for the games. Secure that check, spend it on you. Go out to Ghana, see nice views. We can enjoy the nightlife too. Dance until we wear our shoes. See the way you standing in that corner, eh? I can feel you telling me come closer, eh? And the way you move your body so contagious. You made me wanna spend all of me paper. I can take you down. Money go up, but I can take you down. Yeah, we go up, yeah, we glow up, but I can take you down. Money go up, but I can take you down. Yeah, we go up, yeah, we glow up, but I can take you down. I can take you down. I can take you down. No, I can take you down. I can take you down. Money go up, but I can take you down. Yeah, we go up, yeah, we glow up, but I can take you down. Money go up, but I can take you down. Yeah, we go up, yeah, we glow up, but I can take you down. I can take you down. I can take you down. No, I can take you down. I can take you down. Take you down, take you down, take you, take you, take you, take you, take you down.
Whoa, this is cakey. My face is feeling so dry. I really need this so bad, so bad. Fam, I even need more. My face is so dry. Do I like this lip? I don't know. I don't know if I like it. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you haven't turned on post notifications, please do that so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alrighty, I'ma see you guys in my next one.
I can take you down. Money go up, money go up, but I can take you down. Yeah, we go up, yeah, we glow up, but I can take you down.